am here today with this solid oak tray, 11.2 inches, a great tray for so many universal uses. Use it for soap, use it for makeup, use it for decor items, use it for storing and organizing. It's absolutely beautiful and can be such a great additive to any spot in your home. Organized, it's modern, it's sleek, it has non-slip grips on the bottom so it will stick in place wherever you put it. Use it for your soaps, use it for your lotions, your makeups, use it for your laundry items, your kitchen items, whatever you need it for. This vanity tray is beautiful, useful, versatile. Give it as a gift, keep it for yourself. I think it's so beautiful and fun. I absolutely love such high quality. Universal, use it anywhere in your home. This is a must-have. You're gonna absolutely love this.